Hello YouTube family, and welcome to another episode of This and That. Yes, it is your boy Rosie, your soon to be #1 YouTube host. We got a good one for you today. It's going to be quick, it's going to be easy. It's something we're doing with the Big Easy. We're going to add a twist that a viewer, matter of fact, 2 viewers have asked me about in the past. We're going to give it a shot today and see if it works. Y'all stay tuned. I think you're going to like it. Alright fam, for all of y'all who have the older Big Easies, they have the Big Easy, they have a couple of newer editions, they have the electric one. And some of the newer ones, if I'm not mistaken, they come with the top. It's like a barbecue pit. And for those of you who have the older ones like I do, they do not. They also have one that has a slot in the side similar to your grease catcher. It goes about midway and you can put some wood or smoked chips in them. So someone asked me, had I ever tried putting smoked chips or wood in this one? So what better day than the day to give it a shot? So what I did was I took an aluminum pan, and due to the fact that I did the modification, I cut out one of the arms. I was able to fold that pan a little bit, stick it in there. So I have some wood chips, some smoked chips, and just one piece of wood and like a little bark off of another piece of wood. I just want to get at a quick shot and see if it works. If it creates too much smoke or wants to catch on fire or whatever, then of course we'll pull it out. I'm using the original Big Easy rack, and I'm using the thigh rack. That's right, the thigh rack. Medieval sounding thigh rack. And the newest addition to the family is a 12-inch dome. If you know about the Big Easy, it comes with a lid. The lid has holes in it, but I wanted to try something a little different. So today, along with the wood chips, we're going to see can we capture some of that smoke with this dome. It's 12 inches in diameter, which is the exact size, the inside diameter of the Big Easy oilless turkey fryer. So it should fit perfectly. So without further ado, let's go ahead and drop our chicken with the smoked chips and the piece of wood in, and we're gonna let that go for about 5 minutes to see what happens, to see if it smokes up. And if it gives us just a moderate amount of smoke and everything seems to be going well, then we'll come back and add the dome and see what we got going on. So y'all stick around, give us about 5 minutes to see what this how this thing reacts to having wood in it. But that's not what it was built for. And we'll be right back and see what we got. Y'all stay tuned. All right, fam. Unfortunately, it's been about 5-10 minutes and we got nothing in the way of smoke. So we're gonna try one other thing. We're gonna put about a half a cup of water in there. I'm using the red cup because I'll be needing that shortly for my daily beverage intake. So I figure I might as well bring it into the game. Let's go ahead and pull this out. Whoa, look at those pellets. Man, they turn into like mush. Maybe it's something to do with the infrared heat. But that ain't working. But we're gonna try the water anyway. Let's go ahead and pour a little water in there. All right, we'll go ahead and put the basket back. And if that doesn't give us any results, then that's a no-go. I bet if the people at Big Easy ever see what I'm doing to their stuff, they're gonna hate me. Well, we're thinking about reaching out to them anyway. We've done quite a few Big Easy videos. We've actually sold some Big Easies for them. And I have no affiliation with Big Easy. I just love their freaking product. I even have one video where You know, the Big Easy has one minor flaw, and that was the igniter. But this igniter has been working for me for 4 or 5 years now. It's just on the other one that I have, it didn't. It gave up on me, but it was an easy $15 fix. So let's see if that water works. We'll give it about 5 or 10 minutes to see if it creates at least some steam. And if it does create some kind of smoke or steam, then we'll come back and we'll put the lid on. We'll fill up the red cup and we'll get this party started. We'll be right back. Y'all stay tuned. All right, fam. It has been about a total of about 10 minutes and not one iota of smoke. Now, I do believe that the moisture, when I poured the water in, the moisture is going to help to make the chicken a little more moist. But as far as smoke, that's not it. But now, knowing your boy the way you do, for the next week or so, I am going to be on a mission to create smoke. If any of y'all have done this before, figured out a way to create smoke in your older Big Easy, please share that in the comment section, because I would be more than happy to know. Now, with that being said, we're going to go ahead and put our 12-inch cheese melter. Looks like we might be getting a little bit of smoke right there. But we're going to go ahead and put the cheese melter stainless steel barbecue lid on, and look at that, perfect fit. Check that, like it was made for it. Now we're gonna leave that on for about 10 minutes. The chicken should have about 20 more minutes to go. So we're gonna leave that on for about 10 more minutes. See what it does for the chicken. Does it help brown it? Does it help contain some of that heat and make it cook a little faster? So give us 10 minutes. We'll be right back. Y'all stay tuned. Don't go nowhere. All right, fam. Breaking news. Get my light right. All right, are y'all ready for this? Just a little bit of smoke. It's hard to catch on camera. But when I pulled this off earlier, I had a little bit of smoke roll out. So the lid may be working. Now check this out. This thing is on a 200 or so degree Big Easy, and I can actually touch this, and that thing, the lid part, the actual metal is smoking hot. So I'm not doing a total review on that thing today, but this may be something we got to talk about in the future, because that's phenomenal. And I'm telling you, this thing is smoking hot. I don't know what that's made out of, but it's working. All right, fam. So we're going to get that chicken. I really didn't take a look at the chicken. I was so excited about the smoke we got earlier. And we're looking at about 15 more minutes. So we'll see you then. Stay tuned. Hello, Fitzgerald. I knew you'd show up soon, because there's meat on the grill. Fitzgerald, you going to say hi to the people? Fitzgerald. Fitzgerald. Say hi. Say hello, YouTube. Time for a nap. You getting sleepy? Been working hard. All right, fam. We're coming up on 1 hour. Let me be cautious. Oh yeah, it is looking good. We're gonna get at about, my wife loves her chicken crisp. I'm not sure putting that water in there was the right idea for its crisp though. That actually made them moist, too moist. I might be in trouble. Anyway, we're gonna give them about 5 more minutes. We're gonna cut the Big Easy off and then let them rest for about 10 minutes. And hopefully they'll settle back in and they'll get a little more crisp. If not, I gotta go to the store and get some more chicken wings. See y'all in a few. check that out. That is the smoke pellets and the one piece of wood. The piece of wood looks like a piece of bacon now, and the smoke pellet looks like ground beef. If I didn't know any better, I think I was making a spaghetti sauce or some type of chili. But anyway, so the chicken did not come out like it normally comes out in the Big Easy. We're gonna go ahead and test and see if it's crispy and see how it tastes. See what we got. Not bad. I mean, you got the seasoning that I put on there. It's doing its job, but it's not your typical crispy fried Big Easy fried chicken. So not bad though. The test is gonna be when Mama get home and she tries a piece. But there you have it. To my viewers who were asking, can we create smoke in the Big Easy, the old Big Easy? So far, that's a no. But we're gonna keep trying until we find a way to produce smoke. I am happy with the lid. And like I said, that's a 12-inch lid. I think that thing was 13 bucks on Amazon. I can use that on the Big Easy. I can use it on large pots in the house. So I really like that. So that's gonna be a go. We may do a separate review on that alone. But y'all can pick that up at Amazon for 13 bucks. I'll leave a link in the description below. All right, peeps. With that being said, if I had to rank this video as far as what we were trying to accomplish, I would give it a 6. The chicken tastes good. We got a little bit of smoke once we put the lid on, but nothing to scream about. Nothing to write home to mama about. And I'm doing this video on Mother's Day, so when I drop this video, happy belated Mother's Day to all y'all. It's probably gonna be a week or so, but still happy belated Mother's Day. So if y'all like this video, y'all give her a thumbs up. If not, give her a thumbs down and a reason why in the comment section. If you like what we're doing here, this and that, consider becoming subscribers. And if you do subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time we drop one of these awesome videos. Peace.